In this video, I will show you how much Cog Hill Family Farm makes money on YouTube 2023. Let's get started. They created their channel since November 13, 2012. They have 212,000 subscribers. Until now, total uploaded 940 videos. And now let's go over Cog Hill Family Farm channel analytics. This is statistics views for Cog Hill Family Farm channel. Daily views, 52,800 views. Weekly views, 369,000 views. Monthly views, 1,584,000 views. Total views, 57,031,000 views. Next, videos performance on Cog Hill Family Farm channel. This is the latest videos for Cog Hill Family Farm channel. This video has gotten 64,000 views and 70,000 views. The estimated income Cog Hill Family Farm with the latest videos, $256 and $280 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for Cog Hill Family Farm channel. This video has gotten 1,200,000 views since published on YouTube. The estimated income Cog Hill Family Farm with the most popular video, $4,800 since published on YouTube. Now, how much Cog Hill Family Farm makes money on YouTube 2023. And this is the estimated income for Cog Hill Family Farm channel. Estimated monthly earnings, $6,300. Estimated yearly earnings, $76,100. And the last, the estimated all-time revenue Cog Hill Family Farm channel, $228,124.